Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to import an image in Canva. So there's loads of really nice images in Canva, like vectors and photos that you can use in your design projects. But if for some reason you don't see what you need, you can easily upload images from somewhere else. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So to start with, we're going to head over onto the left hand side and we're going to click on uploads, and then we're going to click on upload files. So I'm going to find an image that I've downloaded onto my computer. I'm going to click on it, click on open, and that will be uploaded into my uploads file. So then I can use it in my design. All I need to do is click on it and then I can edit it, use it how I like. So that was it. That's how to upload an image into Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.